Let's talk about Gateron's long pole linear switch, the Pure Berry. When someone told me that Gateron had made a 45-cent long pole switch, my first reaction was no fucking way, until I saw the link on Swagkeys, like, hey, yo. So buying these, and 2 days later, we have these bad boys. And they came in the switch container too, which is a nice plus. Thanks, Swagkeys. So, fun, cute little pink switches with a 13.2mm palm stem, what looks to be a milky top and bottom housing with a 62-gram spring, are interesting, for a lack of better description. These are factory lubed on the stems and springs only, and although it's a very light coat, it's actually pretty well lubed, and only a small handful of switches that I have felt a little over or a bit under lubed. There is a little bit of top housing wobble, so I would recommend filming these as well. Feel-wise, they're not bad, but hear me out. There seems to be an odd interaction with the stem and the housing, since it almost feels sluggish on the way down and back up, kind of like it's fighting some resistance. And I have swapped in a couple of stems, and it's better, but still slightly there. And like I said, it's not a deal breaker, but it just does feel heavy, so keep that in mind. The 62-gram feels close to like 65 for me. It's still usable, but it's just a little on the heavy side. Other than that, these are pretty damn smooth. They have that nice, decently soft long pole bottom out, albeit the stem's not really what I would consider a long pole, but more of like an extended pole. And sound-wise, they're pretty clean and have a lower pitch tone compared to like the CJs we're familiar with. While I say these would be a good recommendation for those that want a long pole and want to stay within the Gateron family, I can only find these on Swagkeys, and shipping can be quite expensive. So if the Gateron name, milky housing, extended pole, and color pique your interest, I would say give these a look. Otherwise, I might look elsewhere. I'll play a sound test shortly, and you can let me know your thoughts down below. That's all I got for you guys. Take care, and have a good one. Bye.